Everyone in the industry right now is talking about AI adoption, but very few understand what it really means to build an AI feature that can bring real value. To be honest, AI is exciting. Everyone's looking to adapt it, the industry is changing, our future is changing. But let's be honest about this as well, that not every AI feature that we build is going to bring customer value. That is where every product manager must understand what it means when you're talking about feature prioritization, especially to build AI features. Today, in less than 5 minutes, I'm going to cover why AI feature prioritization matters. What is it that makes the feature that we build bring real value? As product managers, it's easy to get excited by the latest models and capabilities, but successful products are not built on technical excitement alone. They're built by deeply understanding user needs, business outcomes, and strategic fit. But what matters more is understanding the reason behind extensive exercise we have to do to prioritize the right AI features. As with AI, the extra spice is reliability and uncertainty. So, today we are going to talk about the AI feature prioritization. What is AI feature prioritization? Well, it is simply the process of deciding which AI features to build and in what order. In other words, we have a list of AI ideas on your roadmap. You must ask yourself these four important questions as they become a foundation of your AI journey. Which AI capability is actually worth building? What should be built first? Am I building an AI feature because users genuinely need it? Or am I building it simply to impress the stakeholders? We are pretty much aware of the three principles: user needs, business outcomes, technical feasibility. But are we aware of the biggest differentiator for AI features? Well, it is the cost, the upfront cost, and the cost to productionizing AI features. We must understand these costs and the risk of failure. What this cost includes is the key factor here: the infrastructure, data preparation, model tuning. All of these are the cost upfront to build an AI feature. AI initiative requires the investment upfront in the time, the money, and the engineering effort. These are very important for us to understand, because let's say that we built an AI feature, we did not think about it, and a customer says, "We don't need this feature, it is of no use to us." And then all of the time and the effort and the money that you spent building that AI feature, that goes out of the window. That's your money lost and your time lost. We must understand that AI systems are probabilistic. The outputs can be inconsistent, hallucinations can occur that can impact the users directly. There could be accuracy which is not up to the point. There could be edge cases which are harder to predict. That's why the risk for failure is higher. And because of that risk of failure being higher, we must prioritize our AI features in a way that we can avoid either that high risk, or we know that we are able to accept that high risk. We must have a cost bounding exercise to be done to save that. That's why, as product managers, we must understand that building AI features definitely has to bring user value. It must have a measurable business impact, and it aligns with the long term product strategy. So, to summarize, we must focus on these 5 points when we are talking about why AI feature prioritization matters. You must understand the AI production costs, because it really matters more than you think. Then, AI features, we must make them reliable and trusted so users have confidence in us. We must understand that if we are creating AI features which are not going to solve a user problem or not going to bring business outcomes, we are just creating expensive mistakes. We must also focus on the right decisions because that is where the value and impact comes from. The priority is we must prioritize those AI features what create real value for our clients and our business. That strategy is very important when you are talking about AI features. If you want to learn the step-by-step process, the blueprint on how to prioritize AI features, then you can watch my next video, a 10-minute AI feature prioritization blueprint. If you like my content, please hit like, subscribe to my channel, the P value, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.